Hey guys, check this out. I got me a GoPro. I'm doing a GoPro test. Whoa, this is crazy. I got it mounted on my head, and then see you look in your camera, or you look in your phone to see what's going on, and then once you got it set up, you're good to go. Yeah, look at this. Isn't this crazy? I'm just walking around. Yeah, this is nuts. GoPro time. So yeah, what I was gonna do, I thought I'd show you a cold start on the old Pioneer RA one last time before we ship it to Tim Vandervest. Man, what the heck is that? That was loud. Tim Vandervest in Kalamazoo, Michigan. That's where she's going. He's a cool guy. So yeah, let me fire this thing up. Cold start. I haven't started it today, so Tim, if you're watching this, this is how you start her. You give her the old on, and then the choke is right here. So you just go down with the choke and give her a couple pulls. Oh, 2 is all it took. And then turn the choke off, and she should fire up. Woo! Listen to that beast. And then we got this McCulloch 610 that Muffler built for me. Muffler Delete 101. Look at that bad boy. Look at that muffler. But yeah, I'm gonna doll this one up. I got a whole nother part saw over here that I'm gonna take all the good outside stuff on this and put it on this, because this motor's badass. This is like a NASCAR engine for chainsaws. Listen to this beast. That Johnser head's a beast. Man, and this one muffler bilt's an animal. And I didn't want to cut any more. Well, we can cut one more small piece with it. We'll cut a small one. We'll cut a small one for the old Pioneer. One more small one. I don't want to dirty it up too much. I want to keep her nice for Tim. That's so cool. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what that footage looks like. Let me go back to my phone over here. Do the old control thing. See, look. I can control it with my... See, you just go like this. Oh, that's weird. There's a delay. Huh. So yeah, check that out. I can turn it off. Boom.